Nick, and I would like to tell you about two big crocodilian reptiles and how they are different from each other. First, let's talk mostly about alligators, and then we'll move on to crocodile, and then we'll talk about the difference. First, alligators have a softer skin, which means they always bask in the sun, and by basking in the sun, they also go in water, which means they're reptiles, but they're also amphibians. And they are very big. And the next biggest creature is the giant mystery crocodile. And this kind of crocodile is a saltwater crocodile. A saltwater crocodile is the largest and biggest crocodile in the whole world. This guy may be a little bit smaller than an American alligator, which is very big too. And this crocodile is also big, and it lives in the salt water, which makes its name. As you see, the difference are very easy to explain. And look at the snout very closely. You'll see that a crocodile is a very long snout. And this long snout is very long. But compared to the alligator, this guy has a U-shaped mouth, while a crocodile has a V-shaped mouth. Meaning the alligator has a stronger bite than the crocodile, which means the alligator can eat harder stuff than the crocodile can. If that doesn't make you more scarier, then look at these teeth. As you see, the crocodiles have 4 teeth which stick out on the bottom of the jaw, meaning their top teeth is smaller than their bottom teeth, which means this row of teeth on the top jaw is closed and hidden under the wider bottom jaw, which means it does have a strong bite, but not really strong as the American alligator, which I'm going to talk about next, which does have a very strong bite too, but instead of having its bottom teeth showing out, it has its top teeth showing out. And it doesn't have a 4th teeth, which a 4th teeth means is the biggest teeth, and it's very sharp. Compare it to a T-Rex teeth, which is almost 20 centimeters and 8 inches long. And that 4th teeth is half the length of a T-Rex teeth. As you see, it's very long, and it can go to flesh. And the next difference I want to talk about is their color. While alligators take a lead of gray or blue color, sometimes they can also be a very dark color, like let's say a dark green, while crocodiles hold a more like olive green, from a light color all the way to a darker color, which was like brown, let's say, for example. And these hatchlings may look a little bit alike or a difference, because alligator hatchlings are a teeny bit little smaller, or should I say bigger, because scientists are still not sure. Because these hatchlings are super small, but they do have big, giant eyes, the size of a walnut, or should I say your eyeball, but a teeny bit bigger than a normal eyeball, because these little sensy guys are very, very creepy. But despite they're creepy, they almost sometimes get hunted by monitor lizards, which are venomous. They have a super venomous bite, like because of the Komodo dragon or the Gila monster. These guys do have sharp teeth. When they bite into something, the venom flows into the blood of the animal, and then starts to spread, and when the animals run away, they will die in a few weeks. And then the big Komodo dragon, or the monitor lizard, or the Gila monster would use their fork-like tongue, like a snake, and sends out the creature gets killed and then walk to the place with more of a stronger sense of smell and then find it. And these crocodilians hatchlings are very small and they can easily get eaten by other predators like the marble lizard, what I just said. But these marble lizards are much shorter than a female crocodile. But a male crocodile can also be big. Same with the alligator. These guys are big, but they could not defeat the mighty king of beasts, the lion. Because lions hunt packs or prides. Because their main group is called a pride. But most people think they should be called a pack because they are carnivores, while other elephants are called herds. And crocodiles bask in the sun, but when they need to cool off, they go in the water. But when they have to cool off, they have to be aware of lions. As you know, the lions don't like water because just like cats, they only drink milk, but doesn't go into the water, as you may see. And alligators and crocodiles' last difference are their big, mysterious behaviors. Crocodiles are mostly more aggressive than alligators. As you heard what I just said, monitor lizard could eat crocodile hatchlings, but as you see, the crocodile has a forked teeth, and this forked teeth can pierce through flesh, and that teeth can pierce through anything except armor. And the alligator doesn't have forked teeth, meaning it might be a teeny bit less aggressive than a crocodile. Both of these are very, very, very chompity, tasty, very big reptiles. And they both live in the crocodilian family. Thank you.